Let's dive into the fascinating world of turkey production, where precision and care ensure the quality of every turkey. Ever wondered how your holiday bird gets to your table? The journey of turkey production begins on the farm. Farmers select healthy, robust poults, young turkeys, ensuring they are raised under stringent welfare standards. The health and quality of these birds directly impact the final product. These turkeys are typically raised in spacious environments, allowing them to grow naturally with minimal stress. Farmers closely monitor their diet and health, providing the right nutrients and care. The selection process involves detailed health checks and weight assessments to ensure only the best birds move forward. Proper farming practices and careful attention to the turkey's needs are crucial in producing high-quality birds that will eventually become the centerpiece of many holiday meals. Once the turkeys reach the appropriate size and weight, they are carefully transported to the processing plant. This journey is managed with great care to minimize stress and maintain the turkey's health. Specialized transport vehicles are used, equipped with climate control to ensure comfort. Timing is crucial, as prolonged transportation can affect meat quality. Upon arrival, the turkeys are given a brief rest period to recover from the journey. This careful handling ensures that the turkeys are in the best possible condition before processing. The transition from farm to processing plant is a critical phase, as maintaining the turkey's welfare is essential for both ethical reasons and product quality. At the processing plant, the turkeys undergo an initial inspection and processing phase. Each bird is carefully examined to ensure it meets quality standards. The turkeys are then prepared for further processing, which includes stunning them to ensure a humane and stress-free process. This initial step is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the final product. Proper handling during this stage not only ensures the bird's well-being but also preserves the meat's integrity and flavor. Efficient and humane processing methods are vital in producing high-quality turkey products that meet consumer expectations. The next step is scalding and plucking. The turkeys are immersed in hot water to loosen the feathers, making them easier to remove. Specialized machinery then plucks the feathers from the birds, leaving them clean and ready for the next stage. This process is closely monitored to ensure that it is done efficiently and humanely. Proper scalding and plucking are essential for maintaining the turkey's appearance and quality. Any mishandling at this stage can result in damage to the skin or meat, affecting the final product. The goal is to produce a clean, feather-free bird that is ready for further processing. After plucking, the turkeys undergo evisceration and inspection. This step involves removing the internal organs and inspecting the carcasses for any signs of disease or defects. Skilled workers and advanced machinery ensure that this process is done quickly and hygienically. Each bird is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards. Any turkeys that do not meet these standards are removed from the production line. The stakes are high, as any oversight can compromise the entire batch. Thorough evisceration and inspection are critical for ensuring the safety and quality of the final product. Once eviscerated, the turkeys are immediately chilled to preserve freshness. Rapid chilling is crucial to prevent bacterial growth and maintain the meat's quality. The turkeys are either air-chilled or water-chilled, depending on the facility's methods. This step locks in the freshness and ensures the meat remains tender and safe for consumption. Maintaining the correct temperature is essential, as any deviation can compromise the meat's safety and quality. The chilling process is monitored continuously with strict adherence to food safety protocols. This stage is a critical control point in the production process, ensuring that the turkey reaches consumers in optimal condition. After chilling, the turkeys move on to cutting and deboning. Skilled workers or specialized machinery carefully cut the turkeys into various parts, such as breasts, thighs, wings, and drumsticks. This process requires precision to maximize yield and minimize waste. The turkey parts are then deboned to produce boneless cuts, which are popular for many recipes. The efficiency of this step directly impacts the overall productivity and profitability of the production line. Attention to detail is crucial, as even minor errors can affect the final product's quality and appearance. This meticulous work ensures that each turkey part meets the highest standards. Next, the turkey parts may be seasoned and marinated to enhance flavor. This step varies depending on the product specifications. Some turkey parts are kept plain, while others are infused with herbs, spices, and marinades. The marinating process not only adds flavor but also helps tenderize the meat. This is done using large tumblers or injectors to ensure even distribution of flavors. The precise formulation of marinades and seasonings is essential to achieve consistent taste and quality. This stage adds value to the product, catering to diverse consumer preferences. The seasoned turkey parts are then ready for cooking or further processing. Some turkey products undergo cooking or smoking to add flavor and texture. Cooking methods may include roasting, grilling, or frying depending on the product. Smoking involves exposing the turkey parts to wood, smoke, which imparts a rich, smoky flavor. The type of wood used can vary, resulting in different flavor profiles. The cooking and smoking processes are carefully controlled to ensure that the meat is cooked evenly and safely. Proper cooking and smoking techniques are essential for developing the final product's taste and texture. This stage transforms raw turkey parts into ready-to-eat products that are both flavorful and convenient. Once cooked or smoked, the turkey products are sliced and packaged. Precision slicing ensures uniformity, making the product more appealing and easier to use. Advanced machinery slices the turkey to the desired thickness, ensuring each piece is consistent. Proper slicing not only enhances the appearance but also the usability of the product. The sliced turkey is then packaged to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Various packaging methods are used, including vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging, which help preserve the meat without the need for preservatives. Each package is labeled with important information such as weight, sell-by date, and nutritional content. Quality control is a continuous process throughout turkey production, but a final, thorough check ensures the highest standards are met. Each batch of turkey is tested for consistency, flavor, and safety. Samples are taken and analyzed for contaminants and nutritional content. The stakes are high, as any lapse in quality control can lead to product recalls and damage to the brand's reputation. Advanced technology and skilled inspectors work together to maintain the integrity of the product. This rigorous process ensures that only the best turkey products reach consumers. Maintaining stringent quality control measures guarantees consumer satisfaction and trust in the brand. The final step in the journey is distribution. The packaged turkey products are loaded into refrigerated trucks and shipped to retailers, restaurants, and other customers. Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is crucial to ensure the turkey remains fresh and safe to eat. Logistics teams coordinate the delivery schedules to ensure timely arrivals. The distribution network is vast, reaching markets locally and globally. The efficiency and reliability of this process are vital to meet consumer demand and maintain product quality. From farm to fork, every step in the production process ensures that consumers receive high-quality, delicious turkey products. The careful coordination and management of distribution ensure that the final product reaches consumers in perfect condition. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from field to fork. This process combines careful farming practices with modern technology to deliver the tender, delicious turkey we love. If you want to explore more exciting field to fork stories, watch our next video.